Hello and welcome to all of my viewers. This is Buck Weezer. You've tuned Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube, where we put the do into do-it-yourself. And I welcome you to another edition of Real Life Repairs. Yes, so I came out today to find that the Honda Odyssey here has a flat tire. Don't worry, it's only flat on the bottom. And I can see right over here that we got some kind of object in there. It looks like a bolt or something that I must have run over. So I thought this would be a great time to fix the tire using a tire plug kit, and thought I'd show you how to do that so you can take care of yourself and your car when something like this happens to you. Okay, so today I'm going to use the deluxe tire plug kit made by Slime. I've used this once already on a flat tire in my son's car and it worked great. That repair is held up perfectly. It comes with two different sizes of plugs, the sealant, the reamer tool, and the plug insertion tool. And with that, we're going to be able to get the job done today. Alright, let's go ahead and jack the car up and remove the wheel. I like to break the lug nuts loose first before getting it off the ground. Just a little bit. There we go. Well, there's a better look at our puncture. Some kind of bolt or lag screw. What I want to do is just add a little bit of air to the tire just to round it out a little bit, make it easier to work with. There he is. No telling where I picked him up. Just the way it goes, I guess. Alright, so these are the steps. Here's our reamer tool, and we're just going to use it in and out to clean the hole. Alright, next. You take the insertion tool and feed one of the plugs through it halfway. Next, we use the adhesive and just kind of coat the center of it. I'm also going to put some right here. Alright, so here it goes. We're going to insert this. You got to use some muscle. We're going to push it in 2/3 of the way. I think that's about it. And now you simply pull the tool straight out without twisting it. And the plug remains. So just like that. Now I'm going to get a knife or a scissors and try to cut these off flush with the tread of the tire. All right. And that's it. That's plugged, and just going to leave that glue there to dry. We can now inflate the tire and make sure it holds. All right. Now you can take some soapy water, spray it on there just to make sure there's no leaking, but I'm pretty sure we got it. I've never had these leak on me. They work really well. Now we can put the tire back on the car and we'll be done. All right, I guess in an ideal world you could torque these to the spec, but I'm going with pretty much tight. So I'm going to check the air again, and we should be good to go. And that wraps it up. The tire's plugged, it's holding air. Remember, a repair like this is generally considered to be temporary until such a time as you can get to a shop and replace the tire. But no pun intended, you can get some more mileage out of it by using one of these repair plug kits. And it works pretty good. And it's not that hard to do. I want you to be safe when you're working on a vehicle. Be careful, it's dangerous. But it's definitely a project that's within the reach of most DIYers. So I want to thank you for watching. Your comments and questions are always appreciated in the discussion below. And if you don't mind subscribing to the channel, got a lot of good things that I think can help you out in some of my other videos. So this is Buck Weezer signing off saying, remember guys, only you can put the do into do-it-yourself. Bye.